Hi, welcome to the House of Valentina. I'm Valentina and my husband Jack is joining us today. I know you guys always love when he makes an appearance. He usually has plenty to say, which makes it entertaining for all of us. But today's video is extra special because we are celebrating a milestone of our YouTube channel, which I cannot, oh my gosh.
I'm so excited.
We have hit 50,000 subscribers, guys. I don't know what you're doing up there.
Sorry.
We are so excited that we are celebrating 50,000 subscribers. Okay, how many of those do you have?
I got enough, keep going. Try it one more time, let's see what happens.
50,000! It is such an exciting thing, and I am so delighted that, oh my gosh. We built
This is a big deal.
We built this channel because we wanted a place where we could find like-minded people and talk about the things that we love and to invite you guys into our home and to be a part of yours. And here we are, 50,000 subscribers. It's incredible, it's incredible.
I am so proud of two different people here. First of all, I'm so proud of you because I see the hours you put in. I see long after me and the kiddos have gone to bed, she tucks us all in safely and then she goes down and edits. And she puts such love and care into what she does.
That's sweet.
So first of all, thank you to you. And second of all, thank you to you guys because this started off just two of us subscribing. Like there was two of us.
I have a second email. There were three.
Yeah, there were three. We signed up all of our kids with their fake Gmail accounts.
And I signed my mom up. She didn't get to be optional. No. Even though she still doesn't know how to check the videos.
Oprah subscribes because she has oprahwinfrey@gmail.com, which I own. So, not really. But no, seriously, thank you to you because you guys filled in the gaps between subscriber 4 and subscriber 50,000.
Oh my gosh, I
is
can't believe it's
you
50,000.
guys, and it's so amazing. It truly is amazing.
It's our place, it's our community, and that's an incredible thing that we have built together. And I absolutely love that, and it's just such an honor to be a part of your lives like this, and we wanted to be able to give back to you today, so we're gonna do a really fun giveaway. We've got quite a few things to give away today, so I'm gonna run through each of them really fast. We've had some amazing shop owners that wanted to be able to be a part of our giveaway, a part of our celebration. So I'm gonna show you what they've sent us. We're gonna tell you at the end how you can win all of these really fun prizes. And I think that you're gonna absolutely love them. So we wanna make sure that you get a chance to actually win. So this guy has helped me arrange everything because I have zero technological skills, and he and the team have figured out exactly how to do it so that we can make sure that you actually get into the drawing.
Yeah, so just stay around to the end, we'll make it super simple.
Yes.
Let's get to the fun stuff.
Okay, so let's talk about the fun stuff. The fun stuff we're giving away. Number 1 is so cool. I've been saving these because some of the other items I've tested out and been using, but I've been saving these for my daughter because she's getting ready to go to college and I know that she's going to love these. Okay, so what are they? What are they? Okay, these are Birthstone soaps. Oh, they're like really soft and
They smell so good.
Oh my gosh. I know, now I'm gonna wanna steal it back from my daughter, but you can see it's got the coolest, it feels like a crystal. These are made by Mariel Nader in Connecticut, and these are so cool because she uses only the good stuff in these. We've got essential oils and vitamin E, and these are all the things that I wanted my girl to have when she's in her dorm for the first time, and
they
smell so good.
So
Do you smell
good.
that?
Oh my gosh, this smells
Yes,
awesome.
so this is gonna be one of the prizes. You will get 3 that will be sent to you from Mariel, and this is from Ann Jewel Bliss. I don't know if I said that in the beginning. This is the June Birthstone. That's what I think is so cool. This one is April, and it's got like a silver kind of color in it. It's so neat. And
this one's October, which is Opal, which by the way is my birthday, October 1st.
Yes.
In case you were wondering.
It's my birth month, but I won't tell you when mine is because I'm sure you have other things to remember right now.
Like October 1st.
But how cool are these? They're just the neatest thing. And
That's
we
awesome.
thought, man, this is like such a great gift. So thank you to Ann Jewel Bliss. That is a cool item. We'll be including links to all the shops down below in the show notes, and we hope that you'll also go and visit them at Instagram and follow each and every one of them, because these guys are amazing and we love these companies. Bloom and Floor is this amazing perfume company, and they sent us a fragrance note guide so that you can know what is in each of their fragrances, and they sent us a sample of their bath soaks. Oh my gosh. Open that and smell that. You're just, oh, they smell so good. And I've been holding out on that because I didn't realize there were 3 in there. Otherwise I would have tested one out. I know. I've been like, oh, I have that one, I'm gonna savor it. And then I realized when I reached back in there, there are 3. So one lucky winner will receive 3 of the bath soaks and the signature floor fragrance. How cool is this?
And the cool stuff with their stuff, the cool thing about their stuff is it's all vegan and cruelty free.
Yeah.
So none of it's been tested in any bad ways.
Yeah, just smell this. Each one of these is
Oh my gosh,
so
that's so
amazing.
good.
So this is number 209. And 209, let's look at our little cheat sheet here. 209 has amber, I won't make you read it.
I can't read it.
It has amber, vanilla, sandalwood, and musk in that. So,
Oh my gosh, it smells like, I love them. I can't wait to smell
oh my
that.
gosh, it smells so good. Okay, and then this one is
Oh, yeah.
412. Oh, that smells so good. These are so French. This is why I knew that you guys would love this company, because these truly have that French smell to these perfumes. They're just, oh, they're amazing. What number was that? 412?
412.
Gardenia, rose, and honeysuckle.
Yep, you smell like gardenia.
That's why I knew you guys would love these, because they have that garden kind of feel. We've had so much fun talking about gardening and the French countryside. I just knew that you would love these. Next up is Beverly and Third. Now, I gave you guys a sneak peek of this because I have been burning the road trip candle in our master bedroom for a couple weeks. And I gave you a sneak peek of it. And I think you guys have just about broke the internet with this one, because you got so many of you have ordered this, and I would love to hear from you. If you've ordered it and been burning it, if you love it as much as I do, write it down in the comment section, because this, oh my gosh, this candle smells so good.
And if you're the lucky winner, you will get the half-used one from us. Right? Is that what we're doing?
You will get your own set of 4 from them.
Oh
I got
gosh,
the Northwoods Lodge. These are all hand-poured soy candles.
I think this is my favorite.
Yeah, I knew you would like that one. That's why I said that one.
Oh yeah, like this is
And
going
then
to my office.
This one, I had to be careful. I was like, oh, I was literally just burning this. Like, that's how much I love these candles. We have enjoyed them so much. I've kept the other 2 so you could see them, what they look like when we hadn't been using them. I've been very patient. But this one is Wild, Barefoot, and Free.
Describes me.
Oh my, absolutely, darling, absolutely. I love a candle that transports you to another place.
That is awesome.
And these remind you of that sort of, that travel and adventure. It's what we just love so much. And the 4th one that I picked out was the Peony Fields. And I think she'll let you pick which 4 that you want. Smell that. Oh. It smells so good.
Oh, that is awesome.
These are amazing. And they really burn slow, and I hope that you guys, those of you that have already ordered them, I hope that you're enjoying them as much as we are. I'm definitely gonna be ordering more, because these are amazing.
The great thing about them is that 10% of every purchase goes to an animal foundation. So you not only, your house smells great, but you also can help change the world.
We love that.
I know, it's really cool.
We love that. Our next shop, you may already recognize if you've been watching our videos, because I have been enjoying these amazing cushions on our bed, because I wanted something that was really modern. I wanted something that had just a very sleek look to it, very clean lined, and I wanted the luxury of velvet. And these are so perfect. Now, I have showed restraint and not used the gray ones yet, but that day has now finally come to an end. Woohoo! I get to use the gray now.
These are amazing.
But they are amazing. So you can order these covers. So it's really inexpensive. to get the covers, and then you can put your own fillers in them. So you get to choose what you want to fill them with. I fill mine with down, but I love that you have this invisible zipper here, and the seams are serged, and they're really, really good quality. And I just love that they're beautiful as well. So
these are truly amazing. Sitting here like
yeah,
to the touch.
They're so soft.
They're so soft.
Yeah. And I like, you guys know, I'm in the Scandinavian modern thing, which apparently is like permanent because I can't seem to like stop obsessing over it. So I need things like this that just have that clean line to them, but still give you that feeling of luxury.
All right, so my biggest question is now, which room do these go in?
Yeah, so these are gonna go back to the bedroom, but now I've got the gray ones to put out. So
like,
I'm so
these
excited.
are amazing. I wish they made pajamas that feel like they're
Stop
like they're
rubbing the pillow,
pillowcases.
Jack. Stop rubbing the pillow, Jack.
You guys
Oh my
make shirts in this fabric?
It's just what we
I
need.
wear this all day long.
Stop petting the pillowcases. Okay, so you're not gonna get these. They're gonna send you your own that have not been manhandled.
Literally.
But they are amazing, and I know that you'll absolutely love them. And these are from Birthstone. Remember, check down below. Be sure to check these guys out. Check their websites and their Instagram. Our next item is absolutely breathtaking. Originally, I thought I was gonna put this into an art wall with multiple things, and now that it has arrived, it's gonna have to have a very special place because this artwork just blows my mind.
It is absolutely gorgeous.
You can feel the sense of the sky, and you feel something when you look at this, and I'm just blown away. Johnny McKee's artwork is truly just mind-blowing. And
he has a fascination with anything in the sky, so clouds, stars, just a fascination with that, and that is very much his medium, his subject matter is the clouds, the sky.
Yeah.
And this is just breathtaking.
It
truly
really
breathtaking.
is.
'Cause I really like this piece.
I really do too. I really do too. I think I think that you just really sense the clouds, and you sense the weather, and you just feel like you can touch a cloud. And when I saw this for the first time, it reminded me of that time that we were driving in the clouds when we were in Switzerland.
Yeah.
We were up so high in the mountains that we were literally in the clouds. And ever since then, I've been fascinated with that. And so this piece in particular just really speaks to me. And he has many other works that you can look at and choose something that you'll love, but he's giving away one of his pieces to
That's
a winner.
out. That's so cool.
That's
so
amazing,
cool.
isn't it? Yeah. If you remember, we've talked about Catavento before. A few weeks ago, we were showing you their pillows and their blankets, and they make just these incredible things. These are still made in South America. So the girls that run this company wanted to be able to support their family and their country from back home. So they live in LA now, and they created this company. And this is one of my biggest passions. It's something that we've talked about ourselves, that we dream of doing. And so that's why we are particularly partial to Catavento, because that's our dream, is to be able to support global businesses and bring items like this to the US, and to be able to support these businesses that are in other countries where they may not have a voice. And I think that is absolutely incredible. The product itself, like, this is incredible. You can tell that it's handmade. The quality, guys, is beautiful, and the material is incredible. And not only that, but for everyone that you buy, they also give one. In partnership with Las Omas, for every time you buy a blanket, they give a blanket to a child in need. I love that
cool.
so much.
I know, I love stuff like that, because we're already gonna buy stuff.
Yeah.
Why not buy stuff that actually makes a difference?
Yeah, and you just think there's gonna be a child that has an extra blanket that wouldn't have one. And
Yeah, it's so sweet.
I love that more than anything in the world, so that's pretty amazing. I know that you guys are gonna wanna grab a spot in the drawing just for these items alone, but the last item that we're gonna be giving away is 2 hours, so it'll be 1 hour to 2 different people. This will be virtual design services with none other than moi. We have been enjoying these virtual services with you guys so much, and I thought this would be really fun. I get to meet a couple of you this way, and we get to spend some time together. It's actually kind of a gift to myself. It's actually really selfish.
It is selfish, I love it.
It's 100% selfish. You know, someone else is giving blankets to kids in need, and I'm spending time with you guys. So.
Well, I heard her. I always, by the way, if I'm around, I try to drop in and to say hi. And people always say, "Gosh, you're so much better looking than we thought." That's usually the response. But I listened to her talk, and it's just it's so much fun. Like, I want to schedule one of these because you guys laugh so much and have such a great time together
It's so
that
true.
it sounds like a blast.
I love it because when I get on there, I'm like, oh my gosh, there's people like me out there. Like, you guys, this is so cool. Find kindred spirits. So I hope that's something that you guys would like. If not, you know, let's get all the other gifts and you can just be like, I'm good. I don't need virtual services with Valentina. Thanks.
Okay, so here's how you enter. You've been waiting for this. All you have to do, first of all, you have to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way we can find you. So subscribe to the YouTube channel, then go follow us over on Instagram, which is down below in the show notes. Come back.
Do they need to follow Valentina Fussell or the House of Valentina? Either one or both?
Yeah, either
Okay,
one or both.
okay.
So subscribe to the YouTube channel, go over and follow us over on Instagram. Both links are down below. Come back over here, like the video, give it a big fat thumbs up, and then comment down below, say what you loved about it, blah, 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 whatever it is, and then make sure you give us your Instagram handle down there. Sometimes it's hard to find people on YouTube, so the Instagram handle, if you're the lucky winner, that gives us a great place to find you.
Yes, and you'll need to make sure to check your direct messages on Instagram because that's how we'll be reaching out to you.
Yeah, so again, subscribe, like, and comment, and follow us over on Instagram. That gets you registered to win.
Yes, and make sure that you follow each of the shop owners that have been mentioned in today. We'll have all that down below. So you'll follow the list of Instagram accounts and then pop back over here and leave us a comment telling us what you're most excited about, what you hope that will be coming in the next new videos that are coming, and oh my gosh, 50,000 more subscribers and we'll hit 100.
I know.
Yay, that's so cool.
I can go buy more poppers.
Yes. We're all really excited about that, Jack. Thank you so much for joining us, for being a subscriber on this channel, for being a part of all of it, to just be a part of our home, to be a part of our lives, and for us to be a part of yours. This is amazing, and we're so delighted, and thank you so much. And I think that's it for today.
I think that's it.
Okay.
All right.
See you guys in the next one.
Bye. Okay. Hey, Parker, come tell Mom what you want. I'm gonna go get it.
What? It's not gonna detonate. Watch out! Woo!
All right, so everyone be on their best.
All right, do you want him back behind like this?
Oh, that's
Haley's
perfect. Look
like,
at them. They're perfect. Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Like this?